William Bogs Adornado, born May 26, 1951, is a Filipino professional basketball coach and former player. He is one of the Philippine Basketball Association's greatest players and was inducted into its Hall of Fame in 2005. He was a three-time PBA Most Valuable Player 1975, 1976, and 1981, and is considered one of the best Filipino basketball players of all time. Adornado, who began playing hoops at the age of 6, was a legend playing for the then glowing Goldies of the University of Santo Tomas under the tutelage of Rogelio Serafico. At center, he was a consistent ace shooter and did a remarkable sniping job for the Espanya-based dribblers in their university's Athletic Association of the Philippines UAAP exploits. In the 1967-68 season, which was his rookie year, Adornado led the UST Goldies to the championship against University of the East, which ended up with UST and UE being declared co-champions. Adornado's next step to the apex of his amateur career came when he was tapped to serve in the RP Youth squad, which saw flawless action in the inaugural Asian Youth Basketball Championship in Seoul, South Korea in 1970. Mentored by Ignacio Ning Ramos, Adornado joined efforts with Ernesto Estrada, Rosario Martires, Mart Sampson, Manny Painter, Johnny Revilla, and Rodolfo Soriano to clinch the tournament's championship after sweeping all their 6 games. From then on, Adornado would become a mainstay for the Philippine national teams that competed for basketball supremacy in Asia, the Olympics, and the world. He was the youngest member of the Philippine men's Olympic basketball team that placed 13th in the 1970 Munich Games. He was a key contributor in winning back the gold after a silver finish in 1971 for the Philippines in the 1973 Asian Basketball Confederation Championships held in Manila. His 18 PPG top scored for the Philippine team that placed 13th in the 1974 World Championships in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Commercially, Adornado played for Crispa in the Old Manila Industrial and Commercial Athletic Association Mica, where he played with June Papa and Danny Florencio. With Papa shooting the lights out from 35 feet and Florencio's magical penetrating moves under the basket. Adornado provided a steady presence with his calculated jumpers from medium range as Crispa would win the 1971 Mica All-Filipino crown at the expense of the San Miguel Braves. Crispa would win one more MICAA crown in 1974, a year before the PBA was born. Among his teammates then were Alberto Guidabin, Atoy Co, Edgardo Carvajal, and Rodolfo Soriano. Legacy. In 2000, he was named as one of the PBA's 25 greatest players of all time in elaborate awards ceremonies that highlighted the 25th anniversary of the league. In 2005, Adornado was part of the 12 initial inductees to the PBA Hall of Fame alongside fellow Crispa players Adornado and Philip Cesar, and Toyota stalwarts Jaworski, Francis Arnaiz, and Raymond Fernandez, together with former PBA commissioners Leo Prieto, Emerson Costing, and attorney Rudy Salad, as well as legendary Crispa coach and team manager, respectively, Virgilio Baby de Lupin and Danny Floro, and the late anchorman Joe Cantata. In September 2010, the 2009-2010 Comeback Player of the Year, presented by Phoenix Petroleum, will be awarded the William Bogs Adornado Trophy in honor of the PBA's multi-titled player and Hall of Famer who generously agreed to lend his fabled name for the award. The name of Adornado being mentioned in the same breath with the Comeback Player of the Year award was a fitting tribute to the player who became the first to win the PBA MVP award 3 times. It's such a big honor to have the Comeback Player award named after me. Said Adornado, who overcame open surgery and a long and painful recuperation period to make history. It's nice to be remembered this way. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.